Hey devs, let's say you find yourself in a situation where you have a beautiful design sitting in Figma, but you're having trouble turning that into clean and production ready code. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can take any Figma design and convert it into real working code for free, without any plugins, no subscriptions, no fluff. So the tool that we're going to be using today is called Bolt. If you want to get to the screen, just type in the URL Bolt.new. It's going to take you here. Create an account or log in if you already have one. I already have a design in Figma that I'm going to be generating the code for. And it's an e-commerce design, as you can see. Now the first thing you want to do here is just download this image as a PNG. So if you go down right here, it says export homepage. I'm going to click on that button. So once you have downloaded your image, move over to Bolt. If you look at this space here, there's an upload or attach files. You want to click on that. It's going to bring up this pop-up here. But I'm just going to go with the first one. And now you want to give it a prompt, something like create, let's say, web app that matches this design. All right, let's go with that and see what happens. It only took Bolt about 30 seconds to generate all of this, right? Creating the application and generating all this code. Let's have a look at the design, and I'm gonna go back to the initial design so we can compare the two. So I'm gonna go back to the initial design just so we see. So after going over the designs, I noticed that a few things were off, right? Like the navbar here, for example, we have a navbar with a white background. But if you go over to Bolt, you'll notice that the navbar has a black background. So I wrote in a prompt here to fix those and also fix the heading text. Now you have two options, right? You can go back to Bolt and say, hey Bolt, I noticed 1, 2, 3, and I want you to fix those. Or you can just switch over to the code editor and you can fix those yourself. So in this case, since I want to make this as short as possible, I'm going to ask Bolt to do the fixing for me. 10 seconds later and we have this new result. Now, as you can see, the navbar has been fixed. The background is now white instead of black. And if you look at the hero section here, the previous hero section had a white background, but now this is white 900, which is a little bit darker than the white version that we had last time. Now, if you look at the new arrivals, I noticed that it didn't touch this. This is still the same. It needs to be in the center right here. So I'm just going to go over the whole page quickly just to verify that all the sections have been generated properly, right? When I go back to the top, we have the navbar, we have the hero section. What comes next? We have the new arrival, we have the top selling, we have all the sections. We have testimonial section, we have the newsletter, and even the footer was generated too, right? So in any case, if you don't feel satisfied with the designs, you can always ask Bolt to make the changes for you, right? But if you are satisfied with the designs, you just go over to export, this button over here, and just click on it and click download. And your code has been downloaded. You can take it to VS Code from there and just continue coding. And that is how you can turn any Figma design into real working code in less than 5 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next.